Yeah man, this video ain't about I and I, but about Rastafari. So make sure that I them like and share and subscribe. You dig? Yeah man. Blaze it up and make we burn them. Blaze it up and make we burn them, yeah. What's up guys? Right now I'm in Irish Town, St. Andrew, Jamaica, and we're on our way to the Rasta village further on in this vlog. But we're gonna stop right now at Mount Edge Restaurant, which is a beautiful restaurant located right here on the hills of St. Andrew or Irish Town, St. Andrew, Jamaica. And we're gonna try out some local cuisine, you know, some Haile food, which is the Rastaman food, all natural. So stay tuned. Yes, my friends, so now we're inside the Eats Cafe, same place at the Mount Edge. The Mount Edge is actually the guest house, so I was making mistake before. I was saying Mount Edge restaurant, but the guest house is Mount Edge, and Eats, just like, you know, Eats, that's a restaurant. We're seated, me and Cousin Raji right here, and now we're gonna be served. So Cousin Raji is having the barrel chicken, yep, and I'm having none other than coconut curry veggie stew. Here they come. Hi, how are you?
Fine. Barrel roasted chicken.
Yes, thank you so
Coconut
much.
curry veggie.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Wonderful. Look at that. So, when we talk about Haile stew, or Haile in Jamaica, it means just, Haile means natural. And it's something like, you know, Bob Marley would be having Haile. A Rastafarian, they would have Haile food. So it's all natural ingredients. And most times, from what I recall, Haile also mean no salt. But we may have a little salt in this, but it's all natural, organic stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Raji, he's having some chicken. I've gone vegetarian recently, so my diet is like 90% plant-based. 10% is like, I still have fish. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in. So good.
Really good.
This is Jamaican rice and peas. Other Caribbean countries call it peas and rice, but you know what? Original name is rice and peas, not peas and rice, okay? My friends in Trinidad, I still love you. My friends in Guyana, I still love you, you know. But we call it rice and peas here in Jamaica. And I'm digging in right now. Roger. Yes, my friends, welcome back. So right now I'm in St. Andrew, Jamaica, West Indies, and you can hear the Rasta drumming in the background because I'm live right at the entrance to the Rasta village in Irish Town, St. Andrew, Jamaica, and we're gonna pass through and show you all the wonderful culture that Jamaica has to offer. Yeah, man.
One love greeting. This is Abason. We are in St. Andrew, Blue Mountain. We are in His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First School of Vision, and today is the Sabbath day. We try to keep the commandment and give thanks.
According to history, Haile Selassie is said to be from the lineage of King Solomon and Queen of Sheba. Born Rastafari Makonnen, he was crowned Emperor Haile Selassie on November the 2nd, 1930. Emperor Haile Selassie assumed the titles of King of Kings, Lord of Lords, and the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Rastafarianism is a spiritual movement based on the belief that him, Emperor Haile Selassie, is the divinity. Rastafarians believe in the practice of a natural lifestyle. Here in the hills of Blue Mountain, Jamaica, is one such community, Haile Selassie School of Vision. Here, the Rastafarians thrive on remoteness, organic foods, and herbs, and it was a pleasure just to see firsthand a glance into their world. So there you have it, guys. We're checking out now from the Rasta village, St. Andrew, Jamaica, West Indies. We're checking out. Reggie, how was your visit here at the Rastafarian village in St. Andrew?
It was really warming.
It was an eye-opening experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, my friends, peace out. See you.